What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Today we're going to be doing a Nintendo Switch OLED unboxing, I believe. I'm not 100% sure on that. Don't quote me on that. Just got my stream light going. Yeah. Alright. Let me go grab my knife. I'll be right back. Not trying to bore you all, but I can't find my knife, so we're just going to use a random ass knife. Alright. Are we ready to get this underway? I'll open this first. Alright, I'm just gonna get shit out the box. Boxes. So, did I get Joy-Cons instead of, you know. Alright. Oh look, my charging base. Alright, now for the big boy. Y'all ready? I did say we would be using a random knife, and I didn't say how easy this is going to be. Because it's not at all, I can tell you that much. Oh shit, almost. Oh, I can see it, but y'all can't. Let me get on the better side of the camera for y'all. It wasn't ready. Alright, so now that this is out of the box right here. Boom. Alright, so let's bring this closer. Obviously the box looks a lot different than before. Whole lot different. So, without further ado, let's get into this. Oh yeah. Not further ado. Sorry. Those are the different modes you could play in. And those are all the differences between the different modes. So, now let's get into it. Oh, this is such a premium package feeling. This is such a premium feeling. Y'all ready? Oh my god, it looks so gorgeous. Look, there's the Joy-Cons right there. They actually kind of have a metal feel to them, but they could just be cold plastic. Alright, so for now, we're going to go ahead and set those right there. We're going to set you all back up. Actually, there's the OLED right there. And then you have the dock right here. Right there. You have your dock. We're going to open all this stuff simultaneously while I have free hands, okay? Alright. So I have no fucking clue what this is. HDMI port for the TV. Oh, I knocked the light silly. I guess power cord? Yeah, definitely a power cord. Wait. Oh, there's a charger. So where's the power cord? What is this? Oh, look. My Joy-Con grip, I think. And power? No. Alright, we'll figure this out as we go. Alright, so now that we got everything out of the box, Joy-Con grips, Joy-Con grip, Joy-Con arm grip thing, I don't know what the fuck they're called. But yeah, that's everything for the Nintendo Switch unboxing so far. We'll get moving further on. We'll actually see how everything looks. We're going to save this for the very last, but first, let's go ahead and get on to the main attraction. The new dock. So yeah. Taking it out of the bubble wrap so you all don't have to hear it. Even though you have to hear it because my mic's facing right towards me. Alright, so here's the dock, everybody. With your AC adapter, HDMI out, and LAN port. Not bad, Nintendo. I like that feel to the dock. It almost has, it's a textured. And then see, as you guys can see, there's no issues inside. My paddings are still good. Oh shit, I just scuffed one of my paddings. Motherfucks. Alright. This has to be. There's no way this isn't the power cord. There's no fucking way this is not a power cord. Boy! Alright, I just need to see something right quick. Switch fam. Oh. Well, I'll be a son of a bitch. I do have a power cord. Okay. Alright. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, the dock. The power cord. Not a good time. Sorry, everybody. I'm receiving a phone call really quick. Alright. And then Joy-Con grip. We're going to kind of speed through this so I can call my friend back. He's at work. Joy-Cons. Yeah, like I said, that's last. Well, actually, I'm going to slide these into the grips. You guys, here, I'm going to put you guys through this too. It's going to be fun. All right. Stop calling me. Jeez. I cannot do my career. Oh, shit. Do not. Okay, there we go. That is so small. Alright, so our Joy-Con grips and Joy-Cons are on box now. What's next? This right here. Look. Boom. Our Joy-Con thing, whatever the fuck they are. There's that. And then here's our Joy-Con charger for the dock. I didn't realize I bought a docking charger. I'm sure I could put this anywhere almost. I'm not sure though. It might be powered by the dock. I hate packaging. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to rip this all the way open because I am not doing that. Alright. So, it's sealed. Like I said, it's sealed. Oh my god, I see. Alright, I'm gonna attach this with y'all. Alright, so you see these USBs over here? Boom, attached. Attached. Yeah, that's how bad it is, guys. But hey, it charges 4 of the motherfuckers. Don't look too bad. But now that we're done with everything, let's get on to the big boy. The 7-inch OLED display for the Nintendo Switch. You ready? Because I know I am. Oh! Alright. I don't want to drop this because I have been known to be clumsy, but I do want to show you all that new, I already got my Switch fingers. I already fingered my Switch. Alright. I'm going to take these Joy-Con grips out. Oh, the Joy-Cons out of the Joy-Con grips. Alright, so you ready? Let's find this power button. Oh my god, it looks so good. So, it wants us to do this right quick. So we're going to do that right quick. I love how it says The Americas. We're going to get it set up and then we'll come back. Just in case if you're wondering, that's what it does. Why? Oh, I almost touched it like a touchscreen. Okay, hold on.